How to change Playnite theme. So hey guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to change your Playnite theme. So in changing your Playnite theme, right here, all we need to do is open up our Playnite right here. There you go. As you see, I've just downloaded this Playnite. If you want to know how to download Playnite step by step, you can watch it here on How to Rock It. You can just type it here in the search. How to, what do you call this? Download or install. I think it's installed. How to install Playnite on PC. So here, anyways, let's get started with the theme. So here, the theme, all we need to do is open up our Playnite right here, and then click on the top left corner. You'll see like a logo right there. Next thing we need to do right here is, once we're here, you just click on the settings icon right there. At the present, the settings icons right here, you'll be located right here at your general. Here at the appearance section, there you go, as you can see your appearance section, you see general right there. Press on the general right there. Once you click on general, as you can see right on theme, is default. Now, to add more themes to this, click on get more themes or create new themes. So you can create your own theme right here, or you can get more themes. Right now, we're just click on get more themes. So here we can have a lot of themes. There you go. We have classic desktop, classic desktop blue, and so much more themes that we can choose from right here. All we need to do is click on, for example, we want to download this one right here, days. Click on that, open Playnite desktop right there. Then after doing that, there you go, click right here. Do you want to install a new theme? Click on yes right there. Please note the post extension and accurate Playnite performance, stability, and security. If you just start experience of installing theme or anxiety, try disabling uninstalling. Okay, there you go. Now it's downloading. Playnite must be restarted to complete installation. Do you want to restart? Okay, yes. We're gonna restart the Playnite. So now it's now being restarted, and as you can see right now, the theme has now been applied. Now change it back to its original theme, like earlier. Click on that, and then click on settings as well right here, and then now click on general. Then as you can see right now, it's on the days theme right here. There you go. Now let's put it on default, then click on save, then yes, and as you can see, now we're back to our original theme. So yeah, there you go guys, that's how you do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always type it out comment below guys, and we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible here. How to Rock It guys, and thank you guys.